Hi, I'm Sandra Smith, Product Manager for Wexxar Bel. Today we're going to take a closer look at our 5150 auto adjust machine. It's a form, pack, and seal solution that allows the operator to make an immediate size change simply by picking a size from the case menu. So in terms of operation for this machine, an operator can simply come up to the machine, they pick the case size from the menu, send the machine into its changeover mode. I have a pick-to-light system here reminding me what case I picked. Warm up the case. Two hands are free to load. Case is sealed. And I'm off to my next order. So from an operator control standpoint, we have our HMI. Once the operator starts the machine, they can go into the box select menu. There are 10 cases here they can choose. You can name them whatever is familiar to the operator, so the operator knows to come over and pick the right case. The machine's adjusted and ready to be loaded. The 5150 Auto Adjust is ideal for any application that is doing a lot of size changes throughout the day. So any kind of order fulfillment, e-commerce, business-to-business stuff, small batch runs, you can quickly make those size changes. It's also great for applications where operators are fresh to the job, maybe a temp workforce, because they can come in, you can teach them to hit the right button, and they're making boxes and getting product out the door. For more information about the 5150 Auto Adjust and our full line of equipment, please see our website at wexxar.com.